in the future, will I get an exhaust shop to actually run a proper exhaust? Potentially, but not today. DIY all day. What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to another episode of trying to get my 81 Caprice LS swap to run and drive, but yeah, whatever. This episode, we're trying to finish up the exhaust that we started 2 episodes ago. All right. So you remember from the episode before last, we did this and that's where we stopped. It was like almost 8 o'clock. The AC in my Yukon wasn't working, so I had to go down to my daddy, have him check it. It was very low on Freon, by the way. It was very, very low. But then it was blowing ice cubes out that thing. Yeah. But we back. All right. So I picked up some band clamps to connect the exhaust to the headers, the S10 shorties. I picked up this connector that is, I think it's 3-inch OD due to 2.5 ID. So this fits inside of the 3-inch muffler, but then the side of the exhaust that's not flared, it fits over top of it. When I run it straight back, I'm going to use something and do a turn down right before the end. I got clamps, panda. I got clamps to secure this to the muffler, and then I have clamps to secure the turn down to this. Let's get this back under the car, and then we can figure out what else we need to cut. And then we're going to basically copy and paste to the other side of the car. I got an idea to use this as a turn down and just kind of cut it right there, and then it should mimic this. So we'll see. It's gonna be a turn down one way or the other, but is it gonna look good? I don't know. How's it gonna turn out? I don't know. Also, if you didn't know, I'll just be doing stuff. I honestly don't be knowing what I'll be doing. So I mean, sometimes you, like Nike say, you just gotta go do it. It looks like a turn down. This side looks way better than that side. So I'll make sure that this goes on the driver's side. So yeah, I mean, not too bad for a little homemade turn down. Not too shabby. Trip the breakers. Ooh, that thing hot. Ooh. Ooh, that thing is hot. Not professional, but I didn't pay for it either. So, you know, when it's not professional and it's free, it ain't a whole lot that can really be said for it. Except for That ain't going nowhere. All right, y'all. No jack stands, no supports. I'm gonna take my angle grinder and I'm going to cut that extra hanging piece off. So I will cut that piece off, but the exhaust is in here and it's solid. It ain't moving, it ain't hitting the floor, none of that. So, I mean, of course, doggone mosquitoes. Of course, this is not, you know, nice work, but considering that I'm doing this, and like I said, I'm not expecting for y'all to be like, oh man, that is so nice. Nah, this ain't nice. You know, it ain't pretty. It ain't professional. But I'm doing it myself. Can't really say I'm learning anything, but I'm doing it myself. And it can always be changed. In the future, I can always pay an exhaust shop $600-700 and run a new exhaust on this car. But I said I was gonna do this myself, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do as much of this myself as I can. And then down the road, as I get more money or as whatever I did starts to go wrong, you know, I can take what I've learned from this and redo it. And I can also take what I learned from this and pay somebody else to do it. That's the big thing, that sometimes you do stuff and then what you learn from it is that the next time you shouldn't do it, you should pay somebody else who does this as their specialty. So, I mean, so far, yes, it's taken me a long time to do this stuff myself, but at the end of the day, I like doing stuff like this, and that's what I'm doing. So, you know, yeah. Or is the alignment shop gonna laugh at my welds when they do my alignment? Sure, I don't care. Are the welders online laughing at what I'm doing? Sure, because they do it professionally, and what they do looks 100 times better than mine. It's probably 100 times stronger than mine as well, but I'm doing it myself, DIY, all day. So in the future, will I get an exhaust shop to actually run a proper exhaust? Potentially, but not today. So let me go over and let me mimic the driver side, what I did on the passenger side, and let's get that knocked out, because I want to hear this thing run. Oh, for the exhaust hangers, let me do this before the battery dies. But this is where the factory exhaust hanger was. I'm actually using the factory exhaust hanger bolt. So that's why I did it on the rear. And then on the front, it was like a transmission, it was like a drive shaft loop bracket or whatever. So I'm using the outside bolt for that one. So I'm gonna do the same thing on that side. And then the frame on the driver's side has the exact same holes as the passenger side. So, yep, I'll be back when I'm done with the driver's side. But hopefully after that, we can get a sound clip, and then that will end out the video. So I'll be back. It's late, 10:15, got the exhaust done. The battery, it's a little dead. So let's give it some juice and let's see if it'll start and see how these two chambers sound. Okay. That sounds a lot different what I thought it was gonna sound. Oh wow. That sounds a lot. I didn't think it was gonna sound that deep.
Yeah, I love the mufflers.
They might think I got something.
Those mufflers were actually my favorite sound, but I got tired of doing dust, and then when I changed, I just
Yeah.
love those bumpers like that.
That sounds, yeah, that sounds like if I had a cam, that thing would thump for real. Yo, that sounds really good. I wish I had my pedal hooked up. That sounds good. That sounds good. And the gas leaks, and the gas leaks, and the gas leaks, and the gas leaks, and the gas leaks. No gas leaks, no gas leaks. No gas leaks, good. Yeah, that sounds, man, that sounds really good. They might think I got something. That sounds pretty good. All right, y'all. Well, that's the video. The exhaust is done. Hopefully, the sound is portrayed through the mic. But like that sounds like way better than what I thought. It's quieter than what I thought, but it's also louder than what I thought. But it's also deeper than what I thought as well. So, yeah, that's all I got for you today. It's dark. I gotta pack up. Gotta get home. So, like everything you do, always remember: think, build, enjoy. Well, you probably can't hear me. Peace.